Sorry about the audio fail. Sorry about the audio fail. Testing audio 1 2 3. 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 Okay, I'm back. Sorry about that audio. What you want to see. Testing. Testing. Wow, that's really bad. Testing. Testing. Okay. So I think my live stream is working now. Okay. So I think my live stream is working now. Okay. So I think. Alright, so we're gonna get started on this tutorial type thing, and you guys can just comment below on what you guys want to do a tutorial on, and I'll do a tutorial on it. Alright, so just let me know what you want to do, and I'll start doing it. I'm checking right now. A lot of people are trolling on this live stream. Hello. Alright, so let's just go on to Twitch TV again. Anyone? Alright, so we're just gonna start with a very simple client tutorial. We're gonna start with something really easy, a do sprint. Sure. Alright, so it's gonna be make a new class package, whatever. I call it mine iPackage right here. And here's all my classes that I use. That starts with an I, so I don't know why. But you make a new class, I call it iHacks, right there. And this has all my booleans and stuff in it. nice and organized, more or less, for my Draggable GUI and my Xray stuff. So today I'm just gonna show you guys a lot of tutorials, and I'm just gonna do really simple ones. So I'm gonna do a sprint first. So if ihacks.sprint, this is an entity client player in P, if you haven't already noticed, that sprint is enabled, then set sprinting is true. Alright, the simple, easy set sprint, it's a sprint, and it actually sends packets to the server, telling the server that you're sprinting and that you'll see particles below your feet. Let's see something else. Really easy sneak right here. If you go to scroll down a little bit, enter client player in P, Boolean flag 1 is sneaking. Just add these two bars. It's next to your under your backspace, and you see ihacks.sneak, and then it'll enable sneak. To scroll down more, send chat messages. You'll see right here it says string S1 or whatever, I don't know, parse string. Just get rid of that and put S, and you get some errors right. You'll get errors right here, and here's just replace them with S's. Simple enough. If you want to add a new chat message, such as .help, if s.equals.help, then mc.dubPlayer add chat message, which is basically not sending the chat message to the server, but adding the chat message to your chat messages bar right here. That's gonna be right here. So if you had that, if you make it want it so that when you type it, it won't send to the server .help. Just scroll down a little bit more until you go under this if mc.in-game GUI. Just go under that and put if s that starts with the period, the return. So it returns to yourself, so it doesn't return to the server. So it doesn't go to the server. Alright. So now we have NoSwing. If exclamation points at ihacks NoSwing, then this bracket super swing item, blah blah blah, then add another bracket on the end for NoSwing. Here's some fun thing you can do if you want to make it so that it sends a chat message to yourself saying, adds a chat message to yourself saying something when you respawn, like when you die and then respawn. It'll send a chat message to the server. I just made it so that, hey, and then mc.session.username. Oh shoot, someone's sending me Skype messages like a boss. Wow.
It doesn't always work, it just still makes annoying sounds.
Hey sexy.
Oh shit.
So now we have the mc.session username thing. Really easy to use. Okay, so
No, because it's kind of echoing.
Yeah, I'm just making it so that it doesn't send to your thing. Anyhow, now
you're gonna get the Raiders.
Wow. No one's really commenting what they want to see, so it's really funny.
They should.
He's like so.
Alright, now we have some other classes that I made. Now, for your clickable GUI, if you guys want to know how to do it, I'll teach you guys how to do that today. So, now this is not my code, it's from a thread on Hack Forums. I'll look for it right now, and I'll send you guys a link to it, so you can download it and then use it, and I'll teach you how to use it and stuff. So if I go to hackforums.com.net, just search, I think it's called Avo GUI or something. No, not that one. Code dump drag. Oh my god. Code dump drag. Try again. Wow, I can't find it. Someone send me the link to it if you know it. Evil, don't give the gump. That's funny. It's very funny. But it is like a... It's like a public source now. No, everybody knows it already. But, then what heck should I do? Just, not yet. Not net. Let all the skid have it. Okay, this is really weird. Alright, so let's do another hack. Another hack. Oh, okay. Maybe I teach you how to do clickable then. How not draggable, but clickable. Maybe that. Maybe that would help. Maybe. Maybe not. Maybe. Huh. Okay, how about I give you guys a glimpse of what it would, a draggable GUI would look like. So, if you guys aren't skids, you would figure this thing out. So I'm gonna highlight certain things. Dot. I'm gonna highlight. Okay. Easy enough. Okay. I'm gonna highlight this, this, and this. Easy enough. Okay. And all of this right here is not needed, but this is needed. Okay. And this is needed, but you only need one of them if you're doing only one panel, which this is one panel. Okay. You need this. And go into Mossy's tutorial, Mr. Mossy PS3's tutorial on clickable GUI, and figure that out. And you're going to add pluses to these, X, X, and then Y and Y. And then at the end you can put super.mouse clicked, I, J, and K. I know you don't know what I'm saying. Alright, so, now, you're always, I'm going to explain this a little bit more and further in detail. So, the iClick packet, the iClick.java class, is having a draw screen, and these are different separate classes imported into this class, make it nice and neat and organized so we don't have all these random border directs and draw directs all over the place in this clickable GUI. That's why I have this here. Now this is like in the background what looks like the sexy purple stuff that you see. Now this key typed is the escape, so one is escape, so if I just press escape from the thing, it will display the GUI screen in-game. Okay, so if the mouse, now this part is when the mouse moves around, so it makes it so the mouse can move around and stuff. It will not, so make it so that it will not drag any of this. So equals false. Under mouse dragged int I and int j, these are coordinates of where when you click on a certain section, it will teleport your mouse or the drawback to that certain location. For me, I put it at -40, -5. Okay, now for mouse clicked, if 72 plus, you have to have the plus there because you are moving the draw rect or the clickable. You can plus it and then put smaller than I, and then and so on and so forth, and you'll be able to make a draggable GUI. Now for iHacks, this part right here, this is where it start. This is a starting point right here. This is it popping down, popping up, and drag GUI is so that you can drag it. Just make sure in your iClick that if iHacks that drag GUI and then GUIX GUI. Now I'm going to show you how to make it so that you can drag it draw rect, draw board rect, or text. So just go into, I'm just going to go to my other class. I'm going to my nuclear class as guess. And as you can see, I have a whole bunch of code. And I'm only adding this part, okay? And I'm going to leave this at 0 since I already have the starting point correctly aligned. And I'm just going to add a X and a Y, and then an X and a Y again for draw border directs or draw recs. For text, it's the same thing, except you're only doing it twice, which is iHacks the draw GUI X and iHacks draw GUI Y. That's how you make it so that it's draggable. So, if you need any help with clickable, I'll probably do a full tutorial on it later on. And draggable will come in the future when it's become too popular that everybody knows. So, yeah. I'm gonna teach you guys how to draw small strings and big strings. If you have seen my client already, it has small text and big text, and it is pretty sexy if you look at it. So I'm going to teach you how to do that. So if you go into font renderer and scroll all the way down to the bottom, you can just add this public void draw small string s int I, j, and k. The string is the two parentheses, and then this is the string. So two parentheses, and then this is the string, like whatever you type inside of it. Now GLL11, GL scale F, that's the scaling it down or up, how big or small the font is. And I'm putting it to half the size, which is 1 is a normal size, 0.5 is half size. So half size F, half size F, half size F, and then draw string, this is the main part of it. S, comma, I, then a star, and then 2. J, star, 2, and then K. So this is the string that's going to be popping down, and this is going to be the coordinates, and then the color right here. It's pretty simple enough to use. And then to make it so that all the other stuff around it is normal sized, GLO scale F 2.0 instead of 1. To make sure you do that. And for some reason, the text is upside down on the thing. Hold on. Let me open it up from this way. Twitch, Twitchy Twitch, Twitch, Twitchy Twitch, 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 Twitchy Twitchy Twitch. Okay. Twitchy Twitchy Twitch. I can't see any chat anymore. Okay. Alright, so now bordered text, if you have seen I don't know whose tutorial you did on, but it's called Super Sick Text. What you can do is his code now does not work anymore because of the update of Minecraft, how you set pars and everything else, and different functions and everything else. So to make it again, I think you guys should look at this, pause the video or something, and you guys can look at this code. I'll explain it on the way. So basically, these are the I and J are the coordinates, and then the color. So I don't need to worry about the color, and I don't need to worry about the string either. Okay, you need true as well. True is like black. It's basically like true is like setting it to black, a grayish black color. It's so we are going to subtract it by 1, so we can move it down just a little bit down, and then we're going to add it 1 so it can go a little bit up. Now we're going to go do this actually this is going left and this is going right. Sorry, excuse me. And then this one is going up and then going down. so that it has a nice little bordered text around it. It's really sexy. And then the drawstring is how to set it up so that you can actually use it, which is S, I, J, and K. I actually created it myself, believe it or not. It's really easy. So, we have all this random stuff. Ha ha, hoo hoo, ha ha. Ha ha, ho ho, ha ha, ho ho. Really sexy. I say that a lot. Alright, so, ooh, see all that code? That's a lot of code. I'm going to give a little bit more of an explanation to that video I showed you guys before on that create your own GUI type thing. This is what it basically is. If I press the right arrow key, it pops up this box right here. By the way, this is not mine. And it pops down this box right here. And I can add rectangles and create it if I click once and then drag it. Then click again, I create a border direct, and not border direct, a rectangle. You can add text and vertical lines and everything else. And I looked at the code. It's actually pretty easy to make if you just look at the code. And I did, and it's really easy to make, believe it or not. See, you can see how it's popping down this side over here, right here, how it pops down. And it actually is pretty simple to use, and it's actually. But I didn't really like make that as my main thing to do. So micro one's bad. Now my GUI has now it has some hacks. Believe it or not, it has hacks. Now that's pretty sexy. Because I never put hacks in my client. Now I just put hacks in my client, so I'm happy about that. But no one's commenting of what you want to, make the chat window? Make the chat window. Okay. Is that possible? Let me see if I can do that. Maybe I can. If I, screw over here. Options. More set, pop out. There we go. Now that's how you do it. Oopsies. What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? Welcome to the chat room. Just test it out. Test. Alright. Cool story, bro. Now we can see the chat so you guys can know what I'm talking about. What radar? Please give me a video on it or something. Please give me a link. Thank you very much. Hey, Evil. Hi. How you doing? You're doing good. I'm good. How are you? You good? Oh, thank you, Calibre Slayer for making me my desktop background look sexy. Yeah, actually, it looks really sexy, and I love it. I say sexy a lot, but that's sexy. Super sexy. Okay, wait, one sec. Okay, so while I'm waiting, I am going to do a tutorial on how to be neat in my cases, in my version. So, what I do and what Vinny does is he organizes his booleans. Now, having an organized system is very important for your client. So in this case, I put comma, I put a huge big thing and in caps GUI for panel, and this is the GUI. All the booleans and stuff for the panel. I should not put spaces. Yeah, look at that, all that code I typed out. How sexy is that? So this is the whole panel that you see in the system. Pretty sexy. Now, whenever I'm starting a new, like for instance, this is client hacks. I have hooks that I have booleans, like for instance Zoom that I did a tutorial on before. These are the client hacks. And then I have another one for player hacks and so on and so forth. Now for world hacks, I have Xray settings because I have so much Xray stuff to do. I should move this over, by the way. I was messing around with it. So this is all the Xray settings. And then I have commas in between if I have certain booleans. And if I want to make certain something toggled, I just put equals true next to it. Search. Why do that? Search. Alright, he sent me a YouTube video. Oh! Tour on the radar thing you did? The Xray. You mean the Xray... the .Xray stuff. Oh, okay. Yeah, I can do that. It's actually pretty easy to use and do. So, I'll help you guys out with that. Good. Okay, good tutorial today. So, I'm going to teach you guys how to use... Go to this link if you... it's my custom Xray if you haven't seen it already. I'm going to teach you guys how to do that. It's actually pretty easy to explain. Just that there's just one part that's pretty complicated. But other than that, it's pretty easy. So, make your new public static ints. I have extra IDs for mine to make it nice and neat organized, but you can do whatever you want. You just have one custom Xray toggleable. So, I'm going to go down a little bit to explain it a little bit further. So, okay, right here. Public static int. I'm going to call it... so we're going to do an Xray 1, okay? So public stat int Xray 1. Now I'm going to add 3 ints to this. So I'm going to add another one for 2. And another one for 3. If you want to make it so it renders a certain block at the beginning, you can make it so it equals 56. This is for like diamonds. So Xray 1 equals 56 on default. So if you want to do that, you can do that. So we have Xray 1, 2, and 3. And for ints, and we're going to go into entity client player MP. You should already have knowledge on how to send a chat message to the server. And now this code right here, oops, wrong one. This code right here I actually typed out, and I'm explaining it. So for right now, I'm going to be nice, and I'm going to paste it in the chat. Now that looks very ugly. Maybe if you copy it down and then paste it again. Let me see if that works. Make sure that, see if that works. Oh, wow, that's a really long statement. I'll put this to a Dropbox, I think, for you guys. Dropbox. Where are you, Dropbox? Metro. Where's Dropbox? Because, you know, it's a really long code, and I don't really want to you guys get confused, and I don't want you guys to like type out a million different things. So I'm just gonna give it into a chat, into a Dropbox, so you guys can look at that. So while my Dropbox is loading, I'm going to explain my code. Now, if s that starts with x.xray1, that's what I called it, and then we're going to try this. So we're going to try doing this. But if there's like an error or something happens, we're going to put syntax. We're going to put catch it so that it's not going to give an error to this Minecraft and crash your Minecraft. So mc.theplayer.add chat message, and then you can put like syntax like .xray, like the information on it. So my Dropbox loaded. Let me just make the class file. Text document, whatever. Alright. Oh, that's ugly. Let me just get this, put here. Now, of course, it's not going to work for your client because this is like a different booleans and stuff for me. Alright, save, blah, blah, blah. Haha. Let's copy public link. Okay, so here is the chat code if you guys want to use that. It's right there. Use that. Take it. and put it under send chat message string s. So I'm gonna add that right now. So once you added that, we're gonna do I'm gonna explain it to you. So string A is basically this thing right here, and this is string, and then these parentheses inside it, which is the number after, and we're gonna put a split right here. Now you can make this equal or space, but you shouldn't really make it so that's like this. You should put a space in between it so that it'd be like space. Then you put like the number 56. Now this is string A1 equals A, and then the number 1. Now this extends to the. This basically sends to the survival nuker, maybe. I'm probably a really bad one, not threaded one, but so A1, the 1 right there, makes it so that you can type in a number. Now we're gonna put in iHacks or your boolean and then Xray 1, whatever you put. So I'm gonna put like Xray 1, right? So then it's gonna equal the int and then the parse double A1, which is going to take this A1 right here, put it in here, take the int, and send it to the xray.id1 and change the ID1. And then we're gonna render the worlds so that it resets the world so that you won't get any chunk errors. Now I did this kind of fancy thing when I put if iHacks.xrid1 equals 0. By the way, that's error. I put mc.doubleplayer the add type message, the new string builder.append, blah 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 blah, and then I made it say so that your Xray set to 0, you will render error. So I made it say. Pretty cool. Now, so that you don't need to have this part in here if you don't want to. You can just have this part in here if you wanted to, which is just add type message, and then if you want to say the ID, all you have to do is append iHacks.xrid1, just to tell the person that is using the client that you have set the block ID to a certain number. Might be confusing to you guys. It's confusing me. So if you're new to the live stream, click on that drop box, go under Entity Client Player and P, and go under Send Chat Message, and then add that. And I explained it before. I'll put out this video later on tonight on YouTube if anyone missed anything. All right, so now I can do that for a bunch of them, and it's pretty simple and unique. But you're not done. You're not done yet. You're not done. You're not done. Go into block.java after you finish all that, and you're going to scroll down until you find where you do your usual Xray stuff. Now, I made another boolean called custom Xray so that it makes it so that the blocks are nice and sexy and bright. And so I added two bars to it and added custom Xray. I'm gonna burp soon. And then I have another one and do the same thing again, blah blah blah. Alright, so now I'm gonna go should side be rendered. This is the main part of the hack, so it renders the block IDs. Now, if iHacks the custom Xray is enabled, return block ID equals iHacks the Xray ID 1. Now, this is returning the block ID, which is set, and then this is returning the block ID from the int in Xray ID 1, which is actually set in here, where I'm actually changing the number right here. So the number is sent to right here. If you had multiple Xray IDs, just put 2 bars and put block ID equals Xray ID 1 or whatever. How many people are in the live stream right now? Just let me know. Let me know, please. Thank you. Thank you very much. And that is it. That's all you have to do. It's not too hard. All you have to do is only 2 classes, 3 classes actually. You have to edit. That's it. Block ID, Entity Client Player, MP, and then your hacks.jar. It's good. Good, good, good. Alright. So, anything else? Please let me know. Please let me know what other hack you want me to teach you guys how to do. You guys have 2 minutes, and then I'm going to do my own hack again. Some random stupid hack. Oh, I'm gonna teach you to do a Dougie. Oh yeah. Survival nuker. Now I cannot show you guys how to make a threaded survival nuker. That'll take a good long code, and I don't want to do that. So if you want to make a simple survival nuker that is set to a block ID, I could probably figure that out right now. Maybe. Be probably a skid and look at code and whatnot. Okay, so a lot of people want to do survival nukos. Now, ooh, who wants a flyby pass? Who wants a no cheat flyby pass? You can have that. Funny, I'm hilarious. Alright, so hey, what's up? So if you want to make a survival nuker, you will need a creative nuker, your own custom creative nuker. Now, if you want to make a really nice chest ray. Alright, so if you have a creative nuker and you want to make it into a survival nuker, all you have to do is paste it right here under send motion packets. Now it might crash your Minecraft a lot. Ooh, auto tool. Auto tool is pretty easy to do. So if you want to do survival nuker, you do that. Okay, anywho, auto tool. Okay, so there's a tutorial by Ecotized where he explains how to import it and everything. So I'm going to show you guys how to place it and everything. So we're going to go down to player controller MP. Not player controller MP. What I'm doing? Player controller, and he told us to put a public static void auto tool. Now, an auto tool is basically for that block. Is looking for that block that's hitting, and switching your tool to that block. Now, sometimes you might get an error such as it will crash Minecraft for when your tool is in your inventory for some reason. But I fixed that. So, guys, want the code right here? This big, huge, long code. I'm going to put it into a Dropbox and send it to you guys right now. What is this? This was a chat Xray. Okay. Then we put a new text document, and we're gonna call it auto tool. Okay, so now we have the auto tool, blah blah blah. You take this public void. Make sure you're in player controller right now. I'm gonna send you the code in a second. In 1 second. There you go. Right there. Alright. So there is the auto tool. Put it in player controller under anything you want, under any void. I just put it right over here under on-world change. And just put the auto tool there. If you want to go further into more information on this auto tool, please go to Ecotized videos. And he has nice tutorials on auto tool and explains further on than I do. Then you're gonna go up and go into net.minecraft.client and minecraft.java. Now we're going to Control F, and we're gonna find. Let me just go find where mine is. We're gonna go and find send clickbox to controller. Now I had a big problem on this, so I couldn't figure this out and everything. But you have to put it right under this string right here, public controller on player block damage block. Just put your if ihacks.autotool, which is your boolean that you have to make, and then player controller, which is a class that you put it in, autotool, and then I, J, and K. I, J, and K is the mouse over block X, block Y, and block C. Yeah, I will be uploading this to my to YouTube later on tonight. Probably like an hour or two long video on random shit that I do right now. So yeah, I'll be posting it on YouTube later on. If you want to add me on Skype, please add me. Add away. Just add that guy. And PS3. If you want to add me on PS3, that's my name. Oh, oopsies. That's not my name. This is my name. And if you ever want, yeah, exactly, Chris. Anytime you want to see any of my recordings that I did in the past of my live commentaries or gameplays or tutorials, just go to this, to the link twitch.tv / godxofxgaming, and you'll see all of my live commentaries and stuff like that. So yeah. I'll be playing Call of Duty later on tonight, if you guys want to play Call of Duty. And I'll probably be playing Minecraft again. Sorry I had to go off early. I had to go somewhere to Carnival. Now, in the YouTube thing, I'll add Dropbox links, don't worry. So, I made it so... Make problems. Make problems. Okay. Is my mic okay again? My mic should be okay now. Should be, maybe, yes. Yep, okay. Further on, more. Any other hack client tutorials you want me to do? Any at all? I'll do it. I'll do it. That's funny. Shut up, it's hilarious. Oh no, I'm losing people now. I'm gonna cry. Why is it 189? I don't know what that means right there. Alright, so any other tutorials? I'll do it. I'll do my own tutorial then. Fine, be that way. Oh, let's see what hack. Ooh, who wants my hack client? Oh, I see, that's cool. Okay, so I'll send you guys my hack client. Who wants it? It's a beta test. It's not like anything special. It's a beta test. So I'm only releasing it to people who are on Twitch right now. So I'm only releasing it to people on Twitch right now. So, and it's only in beta test. So that means that there's no check keys on it. There's nothing. Just regular stuff. So let's see. It's right here. Alright, you guys can beta test it. Just let me know if there's any problems with it, and just let me know. There's your reward. Tweak DEV. Do you want anything? Any tutorial? Uh-huh. Yeah. This guy right here. Ignore, follow, timeout. Timeout. You're on timeout right there. Any plugin? What do you mean? Plugin. Tell me, what do you mean by plugin? Like hack? Client modding. Oh, okay. So, you probably missed my clickable GUI and auto tool and other hacks. Oh, stop calling me people. It's America or Asia or South Africa. Okay, sure, I'll email you the link. It's later on tonight. Any other hacks you want me to do? Oops, what did I do? Why did I click on it? Okay, any other hacks? Any other hacks? Let me know. Let me know. I'll do it. Just for you, big boy. The aimbot, because I tried and it doesn't work. Alright, I made a simple aimbot, and it actually is a lot easier to use, and it only has like 5 or 6 lines of code in it. Now, basically, what I'm doing in this live stream is that basically releasing most of my code and explaining it. I don't like it that people have to type it out, and you probably have bad quality on the video anyway. So, if you want to make a aimbot, go into GUI in-game, and go under this big huge box thing right here. So string builder, just scroll down a little bit, and then you'll see this. And then you can put an else statement right here if this is a new client for yourself, and all you have to do is you have flood spam. Okay, I'll do that next. And all I do is just add this part to it. Now I'm gonna give a Dropbox link right now. Okay, calm down. Take a deep breath. Alright, new class. Text document. Let's call it aimbot. Okay. Cool. Cool story, bro. Cool. Alright. Aimbot. Alright, here's the aimbot thing. Just take it and put it in there, and I'll explain it right now. Now, this line right here is basically rendering all of and loading up the player entities on the server. So all the players on the server are being rendered through this string right here, which is basically the whole point of the whole thing. And then put this bar right here, this awesome sexy bar. Okay. Now this right here is also loading the player entries, and it's getting it. It's taking the size to load how many people are on the server, and then it's getting all the people and looking at them, looking at the coordinates and everything else. Now, int i3 equals basically int i3, which is like a shortcut way to typing it in right here. So this is like a shortcut way, and basically we're getting the distance to the entity, and if it's bigger, if it's smaller than, if it's bigger than 10. Oh wait, how do you do this? Oh, it's smaller than 10, then we're gonna swing the item. Alright, so if it's smaller than 10, 10 is the farthest you can reach. If it's smaller than 10, then we're gonna swing, we're gonna face the entity, and we're gonna be sexy about it, okay? It's simple enough. And if you want to make a kill aura, all I have to do is just MC the player, that swing item, I think. Swing item, something like that. Swing item? Is it swing item? Yeah, swing item. So if you want to make it so it's swing at the person, just put swing item. But I'm not going to do that. Alright. It's not aimbotting yourself. It's aimbotting other players, not yourself. Okay. So that's how you do an aimbot. If you guys want to make it so that you have a Arraylist on the top right corner of your screen instead of the top left, which a lot of people have on top left. I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. This is actually a thread that I saw on Hack Forums, which is like a half thread. It wasn't finished, so I finished the code for him, or her, whoever it was. And this is all it was. It was just, he had about like this much of code, and then like really a lot of errors and everything, so I fixed it, sent it back to him, and helped him out in that. Wow, that was hardcore. So this code right here, I'll put in a Dropbox for you guys, so you guys can use it if you want to. So, let's go back into my Dropbox again. GUI setup. GUI setup. Alright, new text document, we're going to call it Arraylist. Okay. Now go inside Arraylist, go with that. Okay, now we have this. Wow, a lot of people actually have PS3 in this, in my thing. Okay, so this is the Dropbox to an Arraylist. Basically, an Arraylist shows if a hack is enabled, it'll pop down. That's showing the hack. So I'm explaining it right now. So if iHacks at Fulbright, if it's enabled, then we're going to. For me, I just put a draw border direct, and then GUI screen dot width, which is the width of the thing. If it's that means it's coming off this way this time, -1. So to go off the right -1, and then it's gonna go down 2. Down 2 is the int right here, which is 0. And then the I minus font renderer that gets string width is getting the string width. So if it's like if you have that bottom right thing on Minecraft in the main menu, how you see that bottom thing is getting the string width of that, if you want to look at that. And then I put Fulbright so that the draw border direct will get the width of the Fulbright, the width of the string. And then I minused it by 4 to align it correctly. And then down is equals 2812, and then 1, which is making it so that it's going down 1. And then I just put simple. This is how thick the border direct is. I might change it to 0.5 later on, but 1 is good. And then you have this. Alright, so and then after that we have another line down, which is actually font rendering the drawstring with shadow. You don't need this part, but you'll probably need this part to show the string. And it's basically getting the string width and then putting it -2 LOL. LOL is the equals to right here in 0xxf. And now if LOL is higher or lower than 11, then it's going to push it down. And so doing that for every single one of them. So there you go. Alright, so that was how to make an array list. Just go to that Dropbox, put it down in here, and just look at the code and make sure you know what to doing. What is this? I want to make a spam bot? What is this? I want to see it to believe it. That's what I must say. This is your spam bot? Ah, hi. Cool. It's cool. Okay, that's cool. I have no like GUI. Oh, I know. I saw that thread on Hack Forums, so I actually can make it right now, but I don't want to. La 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 la. Okay, so if you want to add like another hack to it, I'll just put this down again. Just put it 1,000,000 times down if you want to. To make the chat look a little bit more sexy, scroll down until you find a function 5001A, whatever you call it. Scroll down until you see the par1 font renderer, the drawstring with shadow. Change it to just drawstring, okay? And it makes it look a little bit better, and it looks high quality sexiness. And people think it's actually like a TTF font chat. your font, your how, wow, I wonder how the resolution is going on around here. Hold on. Wow, the resolution on the thing. Okay, so now I know the quality isn't the greatest. I'm sorry. I want to cry because it's so bad. Probably make a whole tutorial on it later on different things. Any other hacks you want me to do? I'm probably gonna end the stream in 5 minutes, so you have 5 minutes. If you have an error on Get GUI Screen With, highlight over it, go over it, put your mouse over it. Whole client. Put your mouse over it and make it so that's a public static string. So if we went to GUI Screen right now, which is right here. If we went to GUI Screen, I made a public static int height width. Alright, so just make sure that the width is public static int if you have an error there. Any other hacks that you wanna do, just let me know. Okay, do you have a draw border direct? If you do not have a draw border direct, go get one. I'm just kidding. So if you have an error in draw border direct, you can just get rid of that line if you want, line of code if you want to, or you can do this where you can get rid of bordered and get rid of that one, which isn't, or get rid of that one. It would just be a rect instead of border direct if you wanted to do that. Or you can just get rid of the whole line of code right of the border direct thing if you want to. NoFall! Okay, NoFall. NoFall is easy. NoFall. Well, you're not getting it, big boy. Alright, so go to Entity Client Player MP if you want to do a NoFall if it doesn't work or something. And go under Send Motion Packets. Now we're just going to scroll down until we find Send Queue, Add a Send Queue, Packet 11 Player Position, Motion X, blah blah blah, Motion Z on ground. Okay, just copy that line, go over to the top of Send Motion Packets, put your if statement. Oopsies, 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 oopsies. Put your if statement, which is if ihacks dot NoFall. Alright, so NoFall, then we're going to put that line of code, but make sure you put an exclamation point behind on ground, okay? This guy is annoying me. You get a timeout, big boy. Okay, so that's a NoFall. It should work now. Okay, so it's sending a packet to the server, and when you're on ground, when you're like falling on ground, make it so that's fall, so that you're never not falling on ground. When you're motion Z is when you're going down and stuff. That's how you do that. Anything else? Ooh, who wants a fly bat pass? Okay, so do you have like black ores? Do you have like black ores or something where the ores turn black? No, you can't see the ores. So you only can see lava under. Yeah, I know. So did you make sure it was a did you go into block.java and make all that stuff and put return block ID equals equals, make sure it's 2 equals ihacks Xray ID 1. So it's like Xray for lava. Did you make sure your block ID is correct? So if you went back, if it is everything working? Like is it telling you that you changed your Xray ID into a certain thing right here? Did it make sure that you did that? If you have black ores, go into block.java and make sure you just add this to it, this 2-bar thing, and then add custom Xray. And if you want it like super duper bright and sexy, go up until you see render as normal block and add if iHacks.xray and two bars and iHacks a custom Xray, then that bracket, then return false and then else, and then make it return true. If you want really nice blocks, so that it's always looking nice no matter what. Alright, so I think I am done for today. I think I'm going to live stream probably a lot more just to test out my live streams and such. Probably on... Oh yeah. Yeah, I hate that too. The reason why it's doing that is because it's not a block. It's actually like something else. It's not called a block. It's like a translucent block where you don't even it's not even a block. That's why it's not. That's why it's rendering that blocks that supposedly block still. So let me just look under my YouTube video to make sure that no one commented under that, so let me know that. Maybe they don't have like a thing trigger. Okay, so I will see you guys later. Thank you for watching my my third live stream. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys learned at least one thing. And I'm going to play the PS3 and have some fun with it, and probably play some Minecraft too. And yeah, and I will fix that snow thing that you're talking about. I will fix it. Don't worry, it's still in beta. Thanks for the feedback. And if you have any more feedback, please private message me. And if I do not, and if you want to see me live, I'll be probably live every single day when I'm on my computer. And I will live stream almost every day. So if you want to check me out, check out my live streams. Just go to www.twitch.tv/godofgaming, godx of x gaming. If you put x's instead of spaces, yeah. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys later. And I will going to play some Minecraft. I think maybe Minecraft. What do you think? Let me know right now. Minecraft or PS3? Which one? Right, let me know right now. Because I don't know what to do. Right now. Right? This right now. PS3 MC. Okay, that's 2 votes. Okay, keep on going. Keep on going. Keep on going. There's 9 people watching. Come on, at least Minecraft. Okay, 2 votes for Minecraft and 2 votes for Minecraft, 1 for PS3. You don't need to spam the chat. I only can count you once, big boy. Alright, you guys have 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. 1 minute. Anybody else? Let me know. Let me know what you want me to play next. Right now. Right now. Minecraft or PS3. Minecraft. Alright, 3 votes for Minecraft, 1 for PS3. 3 votes for Minecraft and 1 for PS3. Anybody else? Got 30 seconds. MC for the win. 30 seconds. Okay, MC. Okay, okay. It seems like I'm going to be hosting my Minecraft server in a second. Don't worry, I'll be live streaming soon. If you guys want to live stream with me and have some fun and have some sex and stuff on my Minecraft server, you can do that. I'm going to be hosting my server as soon. And I'll post a video out, and then I'll make it official and stuff. If you want to add me on Skype, here it is. Add me on Skype. And if you want to add me on PS3, if you have a PS3, just do this. My MC username is this. Shooter Junior. And I guess maybe I will do a community grief, live streaming community grief. Who wants that? A live stream community grief? Any votes? Yes? No? Maybe? Maybe not? Maybe? Live stream community grief? Live stream community grief? Maybe? You could use my client. Here, if you guys want my client, my beta version of my client, you can do so by going to this link, which I'm getting right now. And that's only for people. And please do not leech and be a skid and use my code as for your own being. Just use it for your own sake if you want to. I don't really give crap anymore about it. And okay, here's the hack client if you want to use it. It doesn't have that much hacks, and the fly is it's only still in beta. I'm doing something with it. And LCG community grief. Okay, so I probably do community grief and some survival and other stuff. Thanks for watching.